Welcome to Dr. Melissa's Kitchen, where I share wonderful recipes for your gut, brain, and mood. Brussels sprouts are calming for the brain. It helps because it has anti-inflammation properties. So if you want to join, let's get cooking. Here we are with the Brussels sprouts, and I was able to get all the beautiful spices in here. So if you don't remember, I put balsamic vinegar, and then I actually am going to add a little bit of this hickory smoked olive oil, which can be really nice. You can do no oil if you want to, but olive oil does have some nice omega-3s in it, so I'm gonna just give a little bit for flavor. I'm gonna put this hickory smoked instead of the liquid aminos. So most of the liquid aminos have artificial coloring, like this one. It has the hickory smoked flavor, molasses, caramel color, and salt. So we want to avoid liquid smoke if we can. And then just use a hickory smoked olive oil, which is really nice. This is great, no additives on this one. And remember, I used the balsamic vinegar and the garlic powder. So now that you've did a little mix and a shake, we're gonna start to bake. So let's just shake it a little more, roll it, and then just kind of beat it like an egg. Push and catch. Or you can literally mix it up with a big spoon or use some of these beautiful. And so let's put it here on the parchment paper. So you can use that or a silicone base one, or use your stainless steel pan. I'm going to put it in the oven. It's actually an air fryer oven for about 20 to 5 minutes. Together here, it has the sesame seeds here, garlic, and the balsamic vinegar. Watch and see, and you might have to get it and flip it around. And the fun part is eating. Colorectal cancer is so common. It's had doubled since 1990s. Most of the time, people don't recognize that there are subtle symptoms. You can have blood in your stool, you can have change in your stool from pencil to constipation, you can have maybe no pain at all, and maybe no real consistent symptoms. But you may have family history of colon cancer, you may be exposed because of smoking, alcohol, environmental toxins, and poor diet. People don't recognize that fiber is what fights cancer. It's your fuel to decrease inflammation. So I do love my Brussels sprouts here. That's what I love to eat. This is sulforaphane. It helps fight colon cancer and many other cancers or autoimmune diseases and chronic diseases. And I do love tofu as a substitute for red meat. It's so important to have protein, but through healthy choices. And I like to steam them once in a while.